So guys, mag-vlog tayo kahit mainit sa baba. Let me look my face, my baby. Okay, sit here. She wants to sleep all day. And of course, we need to set this. Doon yung sneakers ko doon. So, kukunin ko ngayon. Ang bilis. So, ito na lang kapag kukunin ko natin. Guys, unting story lang to ha. Sisit mo na. Did you know all the mothers don't hate us because if you're born in your mother will happy and your father will happy because all your mother he has a baby and children, and your mother wants to support us in school and to all who don't go in principal office. My friend become just like that, but my mother is nice spoon, but if I doing bad and my sister and my little brother she hate us.